welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this set, so keep watching. I'm just going to start off by putting all my nails on the stands. I'm going to be going in with I'm going to be using my Ipres nail tips in medium square. Now that that's done, I'm going to be doing my usual prep. I'm going to file and buff all the nails. Then I'm going to go in with my base coat. Now I'm going to go in with one coat of this Mamiya nude gel polish. It's pretty sheer. Once that's cured, I'm going to be going in with this other nude polish in the shade Lotus. I'm going to do 2 more coats of that one. Now that I have my base all done, I'm going to be making my French tip design with this baby pink color from Nail Addict. For my French tips, I like to use a long, thin liner brush. It makes it much easier to draw. And I'm not going to cure any of these because you're going to want your glitter to stick to the gel polish. Now I'm going to go in with this glitter I had got just from Michael's. And I'm just going to apply a layer of it so everything's covered. Then I'm going to cure it for about 60 seconds. And once it's cured, I'm going to just brush off all the excess glitter. And I'm going to repeat that on all the nails.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. fast and do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I'm just gonna go in with a lint-free cloth and some alcohol and wipe off all the excess glitter. I'm gonna be adding some Hello Kitty charms. I got these off Amazon. I'll try and link them down below. And I'm using my favorite rhinestone glue from a cart. I'm just gonna place my Hello Kitty charms and make sure they're straight and cure that under the UV lamp. Now I'm going to be adding these heart charms. I think I got these off of AliExpress. I'm just going to put them one on each. And I like to add extra glue on the sides just so when you're wearing them, it doesn't get caught or snagged on anything.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot.
Now that I have my charms on, I'm going to be going in with the top coat from D&D. And I'm just going to be covering the nude part. I'm not going to go over the glitter, so it still has that sparkle.
Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, action. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it, not, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I gotta see either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket.
Once it's all cured, here's the final result. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.